Hi, this is John Elder with Cast Service, and today we will review some tips on how to properly maintain your kitchen hood. Many problems associated with hoods are directly related to poor service and maintenance. Properly caring for your hood and its components ensures that it will operate smoothly for many years and significantly reduces the chance of grease fires or other hazards. Our number one standard is filter maintenance. Filters that are not cleaned daily can quickly compromise the airflow of a hood, raising energy cost and decreasing hood performance. Dirty filters are also a massive fuel source and can quickly become a fire waiting to happen. Because of these factors, we strongly advise removing your filters and cleaning them daily. Since every application is different, the type of cleaning you need may vary. When using a solid fuel application, that is, cooking with wood or charcoal, significant grease and creosote are formed. Creosote is especially dangerous because it has a low flash point and thus a higher risk of fire. Grease and creosote particles quickly clog filters and degrade hood performance if filters are not thoroughly cleaned daily. For solid fuel applications, we recommend soaking filters overnight in a heated soak tank. This ensures that filters are kept clean and helps prevent the risk of fire. See the link in the video notes for more details about soak tanks. For heavy grease applications, such as cooking burgers and steaks, we recommend following the same guidelines given for solid fuel applications. Even if your filters may look clean on the surface, they may hold a significant amount of fats, oils, and grease inside. Heavy grease application filters should therefore be soaked daily in a heated soak tank. Cooking applications which produce moderate amounts of grease do not require aggressive cleaning methods. Simply run these filters through a commercial dishwasher every night to maintain optimum hood performance and fire safety. Now that we've reviewed proper filter maintenance, let's focus on cleaning the hood surface. When cleaning the surface of the hood, never use iron wool pads, caustic cleaners, or acids. These items will damage your stainless steel and compromise the surface of the hood. To properly preserve the surface of your hood and protect it for many years, we recommend that you clean it daily. First, soak a clean cloth in the recommended cleaning solution and wipe all hood surfaces in the direction of the stainless steel grain. Periodically rinse the cloth in the solution as needed. After cleaning the entire hood, use another clean cloth soaked in warm fresh water to remove all traces of the solution. Finally, dry the hood with a clean cloth and apply stainless steel polish if desired to restore the hood's natural sheen. Following these guidelines daily will ensure that your hood performs as designed and lasts for years to come. For further assistance, please contact Cast Service at 1-866-784-6900 or email support@castservice.com.